Hello, welcome back to our Aisha classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about the distance and displacement. Now, what is distance here? It is a total length covered by a body between two distinct points. Now, suppose you will have to cover the distance from town A to town B, which is very straight to your home in another direction. But because of the road work, you will have to cover like something like this. After the finishing road work, the distance from these two town A to town B is very straight, and you know that distance is measured in meter, which is represented by the letter small m, and the distance from town A to town B is 20,000 meter, but because of the road work we were covered 50,000 meter, and you know here it's a big number, and you should know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So instead of 20,000 meter, you will have to write 20 kilometer and 50 kilometer respectively. Now we will understand what is the distance, scalar or vector. See here, it's a point, a reference point you can say. From here, if someone asked you to just move 20 kilometer, where you will go? Here, there, or just move around it? Here the direction is not specified, therefore you can say the distance is a scalar physical quantity. Now what is the displacement? Displacement is nothing, it's simply a distance with a direction. What does it mean? You have made the two different conditions, that is 20 kilometer and 50 kilometer. Was the distance same? Was the magnitude same? No. The magnitude is different in both the cases, but in first cases the shortest part from town A to town B shows the direction the north of your home. That means here the direction is specified and the magnitude is 20 kilometer. Therefore, because of the direction, the displacement is a vector physical quantity. Here your mom said you or asked you to stand here, she is going to take a nap. But when she went away, you are just moving here and there continuously. But before she reached, you are in the same point, and your mother observed that you are not moving. You are be there where she said, and she think that you are a good boy. But are you? No, since you are not just listening the instruction of your mother. By this example, you can say that you have made lots of distance, but the displacement was 0. Now, if the distance is in a straight line of having the same magnitude 20 kilometer, the distance and displacement can be same. But in case of displacement, it is having the direction. In most of the cases, the distance is greater than the displacement. Displacement actually the shortest path covered by a body. If you really understand about the distance and displacement, please give the answer of this question of this answer. Now suppose you are moving from town A to town B by a taxi. What you will be charges? By what concept you will give the money to the taxi driver? Either by the distance or displacement. Obviously by the concept of the distance, because you are not going to make him understand the displacement, that you are just not changes any location, the displacement is 0. It will not give much impression. Thank you. If you like this video, really like, please like, subscribe my channel.